Django Postgres memory leak. I have a custom Django v2.0.0 command to start background job executors in a multi-threaded fashion, which seems to give me memory leak issues. The command can be started like so. Each thread has a while true loop that picks up jobs from a postgresql table. In order to pick up the job and change the status atomically, I use transactions. EL looks like the allocated memory, but this Django custom command keeps growing. Using tracemalloc, I tried to find what is causing the memory leak by creating a background thread that checks the memory allocation. Finding out the following log. Looks like does not release memory. The leakage is slow for one thread, but if I use 8 threads the memory leak is worse. This is the code at line 222 in. I have no clue how to attack this problem. Any ideas at all? Posted it here also, this URL. I was thinking to maybe fork a new process for every job that needs to be executed, and once finished, the memory would be deallocated with the process itself dying. This would probably work, but it seems a little overkill. Thanks in advance. Update. I was using Django 2.0, and I thought to update to Django 3.0.5, latest stable release, but unfortunately the problem is still there. Below the new logs.
Django keeps a reference to all executed queries in a ring buffer when settings.debug equals true. From debug documentation. It is also important to remember that when running with debug turned on, Django will remember every SQL query it executes. This is useful when you're debugging, but it'll rapidly consume memory on a production server. Setting debug equals false should address your issue. To wipe the ring buffer in situations where it may pose a problem in development,